wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 10 best physics books. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, it's never too early to introduce little ones to basic STEM concepts. Written by a physicist and father, the Baby University board book set covers everything from rocket science to general relativity, using easy-to-understand language and clear visuals. It sparks contemplative conversations and is suitable for older kids as well. However, the graphics are too minimalist for some. At number 9, anyone who's ever wondered whether sci-fi concepts like teleportation could actually come into existence will be intrigued by Physics of the Impossible. This engaging work considers technologies that may soon be within our reach, coupled with their fascinating histories. It's written in a positive and informed tone and poses thought-provoking questions, but it can be a bit too vague sometimes. Coming in at number 8 on our list, Basic Physics aims to take a complicated subject and make it simple enough that home learners can teach themselves. It's also a great refresher for students preparing for an advanced course who might have forgotten some fundamental ideas. It uses relevant examples and builds on concepts gradually. However, some may find it too rudimentary. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for physics books, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, The Fabric of the Cosmos offers readers a set of profound questions about the universe and delves deeply into theories that may provide the answers. Author Brian Greene reveals our world to be very different from what we commonly believe. It focuses on the enigma of time and elaborates well on complex topics. Note that this one's not ideal for beginners. Moving up our list to number 6, the final publication from the late Stephen Hawking, Brief Answers to the Big Questions, takes a look at some of the most burning queries that concern the future of humanity, like whether time travel will ever be possible or if we should colonize space. It makes interesting predictions and is optimistic about daunting problems. It's full of wit and wisdom. Halfway up our list at number 5, Principles of Quantum Mechanics is a comprehensive text with nearly 700 pages, which the author uses to tackle myriad advanced concepts in a head-on manner. It's written in an informal style that makes difficult principles and theories easy to understand. It contains lots of supporting exercises and extensively detailed calculations. It's suitable for graduate-level study. At number 4, Fundamentals of Physics is part of the open Yale course program, which means it's written by an actual Yale professor and is based on what he teaches in his class. It starts with theories laid down by early physicists and moves on to current discoveries. It develops a base of understanding and is an excellent introduction for college. It's surprisingly engaging too. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, gleaned from classes given at Caltech by a Nobel Prize-winning theoretical physicist, the Feynman Lectures on Physics is an insightful and elegantly explained collection that covers everything from electromagnetism and radiation to quantum mechanics. It's challenging and informative and doesn't get bogged down in equations. It makes complicated ideas accessible. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for physics books, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, The Elegant Universe defines a multi-dimensional world where the fabric of space is constantly ripping apart and repairing itself. It includes a range of very sophisticated ideas that may be better suited to those who have previous knowledge of the field. It's well written for an abstract topic and is satisfying to scientific readers. The endnotes are extremely thorough. And taking the top spot on our list, the illustrated A Brief History of Time was written by renowned physicist Stephen Hawking and is a landmark in the category. It includes many of his theoretical predictions from the original 1988 publishing that have since proven to be true. It contains over 240 color illustrations and vivid satellite images. It examines the nature of black holes. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for physics books, or simply click beneath this video.